Hello Martin, this is Ronivaldo. I'm here to show some updates for the project. The first we will see is the auto configuration mode for the distance monitor server. After that, some points of the service monitor. We have the master and the slave and how it's linked to the PHP software. Let's start with the auto configuration mode. Okay, so here we have two devices that I am emulating with Arduinos. So this is your sensors, and here we have the distance server with no sensors attached to it. So when I plug it this any sensor, it will automatically insert this into the system. Let's do it. I will just plug the first one, and you can see here this distance server was automatically added as number distance 101 and is reading the value. Let's add the second one. And the second one is here, and it's reading all the data at the same time. It's working as expected. Let's just unplug anyone. Now you can see there is no data here, and let's plug it in again, and it will recognize and show the correct value here again. So it's working. The auto configuration mode is automatically inserting the data into the system without the human or user intervention. Um, Now let's talk about the service monitor. We have here two service monitors. We have a master and a slave service monitors. When the distance detects some modifications here, it will send this notification to the service monitor that will send to the master, and that will send it to the PHP software. So let's emulate here those changes. Here in this black screen, we have um, the PHP software emulated. So let's go back here and change something. I unplugged the device. You can see here it was detected and sent it here to the master, and the master sent here to the PHP software. So let's do it again with the other device. You can see changes here, here, and here. So let's change it here, and change it here, and finally in the uh, PHP software. So it's working as expected. Um, we have here the distance monitor agent working with the service monitor, and the service monitor is working as a master and as slaves as well. And it can find the master automatically. So when the master is down, you can try to find the new master. You can set the master as well here. We can try to turn this as master. As you can see here, we can turn this as master. You can say it's master. Where is the PHP software? We can save it. And now the system detects the other master, but the first is master, and sending all the data to the PHP software. You can see here. Let's change something. Okay, you hear I think that uh, what I wanted to show you. So we are in the path. We had a tough moment with the communication part, but now I think it's okay. It's a matter of time now to finish the project. I'm late. I think I'm late. I was expecting it to be done in a early moment, but now I am working to get it done as quickly as possible. So, see you. Let's see what you have. In doubts, you can send me anything you want. So, see you. Bye bye.